go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever.
What's up guys, it's your boy es again. So I got here Zeblaze Smartwatch Vibe 5 unboxing. So it is a smart fitness watch. Then I got here the instructions on how to use, how to install the app, and you could also connect this to your smartphone since it is a smart watch that it features Android and iOS. So as you can see, this is the watch. Its color is black. No, it's dark gray. Just now. So as you can see, this is time, and here you got the clock, which is an analog design. Then the steps, on how many steps I take, and then the calories, and then the calories that you've burned, then the kilometers you've walked, then the beats per minute on what is your heart rate. As you can see, you'll just put it here on your wrist so that the watch will measure how many beats per minute your heart is pumping. Then sleep. So wait a minute, let me read the manual. What is sleep? There is no instructions on what is this sleep, but I think this is how many hours or minutes you sleep throughout the night. Then next is message, and then back to the analog clock. And we also have different designs here. That one, next one is that, one is that. That's all for this one. And oh, we also have here a, I think this is the charger for the USB cord. Then this one is for the watch here, the back part of it connected, and you will just charge it. So that's all. This is an app called Wear Health, which you will need to connect from your smartwatch to your phones. So this can be downloaded on Play Store and also on the Apple App Store. And after you connect it through Bluetooth, because the smartwatch consists of the Bluetooth technology, is you will find first this big circle right here is a measurement on how you are doing well on your progress depending on your status. And these three categories here are sport, sleep, and heart rate. First is the sport by daily, weekly, and monthly on how much did you complete on kilometers and how much you've burned on kilocalories. The next one is sleep. As I said that I don't know, but now I figured it out that it is on how many hours and minutes, also on daily until monthly, of sleep you take. That will show you the progress. And the last thing is the heart rate, as per how many beats per minute you have, on what is the highest or lowest heart rate, and your heart rate during sleep, and your average heart rate. The next one here is sport. This is the one category in sport that will track you on your location from where you have start, and they will have a countdown to where you would go to finish. And I will click this pause right here, then stop, then confirm, then it will track where you have finished your activity. So this will show the history and the information on your recent activity right here. The next one is care. So care is about, I think, adding people or friends that also have this application. And lastly is mine, and these are the information. I will not show the information right here. I'll just click other buttons like the target on how many steps each day you suggest. Then the next one is your sleeping target on how many hours and minutes you will sleep, and it suggests that adults sleep 7 to 9 hours a day. The next one is device management on what's the format right here. For our format, what is the unit, and also you have here screensaver setting, which is very cool because you could select any image you want from the gallery, and also the font color you can change it, and you could click save settings. Then you could also select shake Snapchat right here, that you would just shake your phone, then it will have a Snapchat. And the next one is find device, that your smartwatch will also ring if you click this button. And the last one is alerting instructions. If instructions are not very well understood, you could also navigate through here. Okay, that's all.